Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error for AMD ReLive. There are two working methods, so try not to skip any steps. The first method is that you go into the search bar, type in CMD, you will get a command prompt on the left hand side, right click on this and hit run as administrator. Okay, once you have this window up and running, type in CFC /scan now, enter. This will begin a system scan. This will take a couple of minutes to finish, but what this does, this will scan your system for any corrupt files and automatically replace them with not corrupted files. You want to wait for this to finish and then restart the application to see if this has fixed your issue. Now, if you have done this and it still hasn't fixed the issue, you want to move on to method number 2. Method number 2, I will put a URL in the video description below, but it will bring you to a page that looks like this. On the left hand side, you're going to see a download button. Click on this. Once you have clicked on this, you're going to see a file that looks something like this. You want to take this, you want to right click on this and hit extract all. Once you have done that, you're going to see something like this. And then you want to double click on the install_all.bat file. This will run every application one by one. And that is exactly what you want. This will fix the issue. If it did, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.